Let me guess, you're trying to learn Python, but you're not really sure where to start, what books to read, what courses to buy, what websites to try. So you open up YouTube and you started scrolling through a bunch of long 20-minute videos telling you all sorts of different advice. In the end, that left you more confused than when you started. So you got frustrated, opened TikTok and started scrolling through some bad memes.
Alright boys, I just joined the server.
Jesus Christ, Sleepy Joe, about time.
And you forgot all about programming completely. Up until now. You guys know I like to make things really easy. So I had this idea. I'm gonna turn learning programming into a video game. You're gonna start at level 0, and by following the topics I've laid out, you'll be leveling up your Python skills all the way to level 5, where you can officially say you can program in Python. I'll give you all the resources you need at each level, alongside websites, articles and books you can pick up with each topic. And if you're an experienced Python programmer, I've left a little surprise for you at the end of the video, so you can truly take your programming to the next level. Now, talking about playing games, for those of you who have watched my videos and are enjoying my work, I want you to try something out. I'm going to try to game the YouTube algorithm and get you 100,000 subscribers in the next 30 days. So if you've enjoyed watching my videos, comment something down below. If you didn't like the video, don't worry about it. But if you liked it, leave 1 or 2 or 3 comments, anything, so I can try to hack the YouTube algorithm and reach my goal. Anyway, back to programming now. You start at level 0. You're a total noob, and that's fine. The only way from here is up, okay? At this point, a lot of people will tell you to go read about how computers work, how the internet works and all that, but none of that matters right now. All you need to do is figure out a way to run Python. I'll leave a link in the description for you for a website where you can run Python on the browser, so you don't have to worry about installing anything on your computer for now. All you need to do is print hello world. Level 1 is where we start to get moving. Now you need to look into how to create a variable and work with different data types like strings, numbers, and more. And you need to get the grasp of operators and expressions, how to do basic arithmetic, comparison, a little bit of control flow, so this is your if-else statements. You should look into loops and maybe write a program that can count all the way to 10. On level 2, you're starting to get dangerous. You can already do more than you think, but you're gonna need a couple more tools to help you in your journey. Functions and modules. Try importing some cool maps functions and run them. Learn a little bit about recursive functions, maybe how to make a factorial function in Python. Once you're done with functions, you're gonna need to learn about 2 more things. How to get input from the user and how to import modules in Python. And then you're gonna combine both of those skills and make a very simple blackjack game in Python. If you can do that, you're ready for level 3. Level 3 is where it gets really cool. By now you almost have the tools to do a lot of cool stuff. But we need to get one more thing sorted first. You need to learn about data structures. You need to learn about lists. They are like the Swiss Army knife for Python. You need to learn how to create them, how to manipulate them, and iterate through them. You also need to learn about tuples. Dictionaries are the core of why everyone loves Python. And sets, they're kind of like the middle child of data structures. You will always forget about them, but make sure you know how to use them because they are super useful. Level 4 is where things get really interesting. Level 4 is all about mastering the Pythonic toolbox that will allow you to do the things you want to do. List comprehensions. You need lambda functions. You need to learn about exception handling. And this one, don't expect to master it yet. You're also going to need some file handling and I/O knowledge. This is essential for building applications that actually do stuff in the real world. And last but not least, it would be good if you could learn about operators as well. Level 5 is where we get into the classes and object-oriented stuff. So you need to know what the difference is between a class and an instance, and what is the meaning of self within a class definition. You want to know how inheritance work, what is a method, how to write an initializer for a method. Once you have at least a basic understanding of all of those concepts, you can officially say you're a Python programmer. It's a long road and it's going to take at least a few months of study and hard work. But don't get discouraged, you will eventually get there. Anyone who will promise you quick results is just not being honest. The best way to learn is to find the right information and put it to practice. If you're looking for good recommendations for all of the concepts I cited during this video, I've left a list on the description with resources covering each of those topics, alongside a list of books I recommend. In my opinion, nothing beats having a physical book that you can open at any time and have a read through. It also serves as a good reminder of your goal to learn Python, if you see a book lying around your desk. So definitely check them out. I have a bunch of shorts that introduce a few more advanced Python concepts, which you might also enjoy. Thank you for watching.